Now, so we got through the hole here, right? Real quick. You can see this is going all the way through to the other side, outside, right? I'm gonna have to do 2 holes. Remember, I need a hot and cold water pipe. I'm not talking about gas yet. We'll deal with that later. But you have to always stop. When I work, I take a lot of time. I cut something, I stop. I think about it. I look at the situation. I look at the wood. I look at where the pipe's got to run. I look at whether it's a 2x4, whether it's a 2x6, whether it's a 2x8, whether it's a floor joist. Because you can do things with PVC that you can't do with copper pipe. You can do things with PEX that you can't do with any of it. So you got to step back. Remember, once you cut a hole is cut. You can't uncut it. Now you got to patch it. And why would you do that? So you have to sometimes stop for a second, step back. Now remember, I'm coming through the basement, so that means I got to go in the basement. I already measured over here. I measured up here, 37 inches, and I measured outside, and I measured down, so that my whole cut was accurate for my hot water pipe. But I'm still going to go measure it again, because you're always in construction. You measure twice and you cut once. Because if you don't measure 2 or 3 times, it's just going to, dynamics are going to change. You don't even know what you might have been thinking about the first time you made a measurement. You could be thinking about picking your kid up from school. You could be thinking about a show later on. In my case, I could be thinking about a song I got to write. I could be thinking about a scene in the film. So I got to always step back when you multitask, especially with tools, because you just got to double, triple check. But that's the law of construction. Measure twice, cut one. That's the law of Ogun. Measure twice, cut one. So I'm going to measure this pipe here again, because this is my guide. So this pipe here is 28 inches. I'll take you in the basement really quick and show you what I mean. Like on what the first stair, the bottom stairs. Now in this basement here, all this plumbing you see up here, I ran all this plumbing here. All this plumbing here, all of this drain plumbing, this outside going to drain. You got the sewer drain, you got the house drain, blah, 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 blah. Did all this cement work here. I'm going to build this into a frame really quick to give you guys an idea of what we're doing on this job. Obviously, I'm going to wall this out with some cinder block, because this needs to be walled out and doored, because your boiler, double boiler, 2-family, legal 2-family, your hot water heater should be encased, it's legal code. It should be encased in a cement room. But I'm going to turn this into a gym. I'm going to cut a hole in this wall here, build a staircase, frame this out. It's going to be a glass wall here. This is going to be a gym slash chill out room. Well, I'm deciding which one it is. And we have that option where we build to decide. Okay, I measured one that was 27 inches, right? From that gas pipe. So let's go over here again. Measure it again. That would put me right here, you see? Now look, I got 27 inches here. 33 inches here is this 2x6. If I didn't measure correctly, I could be on top of this 2x6. That means when I do my piping, I'd have to bend. You don't want to do that. You want to measure everything 2 and 3 times so you're sure. Okay, so 27 inches put me right here. So that's a clear run no matter what I do. All right, good. We go back upstairs. We know we're straight. We keep moving. So now we can proceed to run the other pipe again. I'm gonna run it here. It doesn't really matter. Well, you see now, look, we're gonna give you an example. I have a 1-inch metal frame here. Remember, I gotta either come through this metal frame or come outside this metal frame. Now, should I cut the pipe to the left of this hole or to the right of this hole? I need 2 holes. Remember, there's a metal frame here. So the best thing to do is go to the right of the hole so I know I'm away from that metal frame. There's a piece of sheetrock back there, but that's not a big deal. Go right back. Remember, this handle here I can adjust. This handle is adjustable, which gives me different pressure point angles. See? Adjust the handle and that way I can use my legs and my leverage to get through this hole. And we'll be back. Stay tuned.